Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to loop through certain actions and put some exit criteria if else condition, and also put a limit to how many times you're going to loop through. Let's take this table as an example, and let's assume that we don't know how many rows are there going to be in this table, and we want to perform this click on delete, confirm that I want to delete this message, and continue to delete until the table is empty. In order to achieve this, we need to create a while loop and put an if-else condition. When this delete button is no longer exist, get out of the loop and repeat, let's say 100 times. All right, so let's go ahead and create this test scenario. So we'll go to testing, create test case, and let's call it loop through deleting items. Okay, we'll click on submit test case. We're on the test step page, and we'll go ahead and add action. The very first action will be go to demo login page. In this case, I'm going to select this step, and I'm going to add my action. So go ahead and click on add action, apply the filter with web. I'm going to select go to web page, add action, and I'm going to replace this with my URL. So I'm just going to copy this, click on it, paste, save, and done. Now let's go ahead and try to create our loop action. So loop through delete buttons. Right. So now that we have created our steps, let's remove the sequential default steps again. So we'll just click on OK, and now we'll click on this button, and we'll click on add action. And for all our programming logic, some of them will be built in and most of them are going to be under common actions. So we'll click on that, and this is our actions. This is a popular action, so it's automatically ranked at the top. So we'll click on while loop with exit loop condition, add action. So let me just review this action and explain how this works. So this is run actions. So which actions am I going to be running? Action number 2 and action number 3. Exit the loop if action 2 passes. Exit the loop if action 3 fails. I can add many different conditions as well here. I could add additional exit loop if action 4 fails, or action 5 passes, or anything like that. Or I could also use a variable, exit loop if variable x, y is equal to true. So in this case, I'm just going to remove this one, and I'm going to remove the pass, because what we're looking for is when there is no delete button, exit the loop. So in this case, I'm going to select the one that fails. So let's go ahead and perform the click action for the delete. So in order to click an item, I'll need to click on that, add action. Let's analyze this delete button. Okay, so the button has a class and text is that. So I'll just select class equal to this value here. So here I will put class and I'll put the value here. So it will click this button. And then I noticed that once I click, there's a pop-up window that appears, and then I need to click on save changes. Again, there's ID equal to confirm delete. So I'm just going to select this and add another action. Click again. So again, I'll filter everything and click an item, add an action. And in this case, it was ID, and the value of the ID is confirm delete. All right, so once I confirm, it's going to continue this loop. So I have 2 loop here, so I need to perform action 2 and 3. So this is the action 2 and action 3. And in my case, I just want to exit when there is no delete button. So I'm going to change this action 3 to action 2. All right, and it's going to loop to 10 times. So I could set this to 100. It doesn't really matter. It will exit as soon as there is no more delete button. So let's go ahead and click save. And that's basically how you would create this action, and it will loop through all the delete button until every delete button is gone. Thank you.